In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your flight in Trip.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can start a change request with confidence. First, open your browser and head to the Trip.com Philippines homepage. If you're using a different regional site, that's fine. The layout is very similar. Make sure the language and currency at the top match what you prefer, so the prices and options display clearly. A quick refresh can help if the page looks cached or out of date. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the My Bookings area. On desktop, it's usually easy to spot near the Account section. If you're on mobile, this may be inside the Profile or Account tab, so tap your profile icon if you don't see it immediately. Take a second to confirm you're signed in with the same account you used to make the reservation. Otherwise, your trips may not appear. Go ahead and click My Bookings. This opens your trip list. You should see your recent and upcoming reservations here. If nothing shows up, try adjusting filters like time range or trip type, or switch to a different tab such as upcoming, completed, or canceled. Remember, you typically need an active, ticketed flight for change options to appear. Now choose the specific flight booking you want to modify. Click into that booking to open the full details page. You'll see your flight segments, passenger information, and order status. If the booking shows as canceled, you won't be able to change it. Similarly, some special fare types may limit changes. Keep an eye on any notices or tags next to the ticket type. Scroll down the booking details page and look for the Change Flight option. It may appear as a button labeled Change or Modify under the flight information or in a section with other self-service tools. Click it once you find it. From here, Trip.com will guide you through the change flow. Availability, fees, and any fare differences will depend on the airline's rules and your original ticket conditions, so make sure to review any notices that appear. In this tutorial example, there aren't any paid, active bookings to demonstrate the full change process, and the sample items are canceled. If you're in a similar situation and don't see the change flight option, it usually means the booking isn't eligible, it has already been canceled, or it falls under restrictions that don't allow online changes. In those cases, check the fare conditions in your booking details or